Welcome. Today we'll explore how to unlock the power of AI with Model Context Protocol MCP, a key feature in F5 BIG-IP version 21 and version 21.1. Let's get started. Here's the agenda. So we'll start with what is MCP to provide context, followed by why F5 BIG-IP MCP matters to explain its value. Next, we'll review the MCP demo topology overview and move on to the demo on configuring MCP. Finally, we'll wrap up with a summary of key points. MCP, created by Anthropic, is an open source protocol that standardizes how AI systems securely connect to the tools and data sources. It enables real-time updates, uses a server-client architecture for efficient communication, and provides a uniform interface for seamless integration. MCP ensures scalable, efficient workflows for even complex AI deployments. AI systems often face challenges like complex integrations, resource heavy management, and low latency demands. F5 BIG-IP MCP solves this by routing traffic, balancing JSON, RPC requests, simplifying communication, and ensuring secure, seamless interactions between AI models and external services, keeping everything efficient and resilient. Here is the F5 AI reference architecture, which outlines everything needed to design, build, and operate AI applications effectively. In the demo, we'll focus on the light green communication flow, specifically how AI components communicate with downstream services via BIG-IP LTM. In this MCP demo, an AI agent acting as a MCP client generates traffic that is sent to BIG-IP LTM for load balancing across two MCP servers, server 1 and server 2, based on the chosen load balancing algorithm. The demo covers setting up BIG-IP virtual server with three profiles: JSON, SEC, and an AI MCP profile for persistence. It also includes configuring the MCP servers and generating MCP traffic with the results displayed. MCP server exposes employee data so that AI agents can query employee information in a structured, standardized way. The virtual server will accept traffic from any source IP address. MCP is a JSON-based protocol, and older versions of MCP supported server-sent events (SEC). Therefore, we recommend enabling SEC for traffic using the older versions of the protocol. For this configuration, I'll select JSON and SEC, which were supported in version 21. And these were added in the BIG-IP version 21 software released specifically for MCP traffic optimization. This ensures backward compatibility and efficient handling of MCP traffic. In version 21, MCP persistence was possible only by adding iRule. In version 21.1, natively supports MCP persistence without adding any iRule. In version 21.1, AI MCP profile has been added to support MCP persistence, and it being selected here to enable MCP persistence. I am starting the MCP server on server 1 and server 2, both listening on port 3000. Each server shows initialize, resources, and tools as available endpoints. The MCP client connects to BIG-IP on port 443, which load balances the traffic, routing this client to server 1. Server 1 generates a unique session ID, which BIG-IP uses to pin all subsequent requests to server 1. Server 2 confirms this showing zero traffic from this client. The client output shows 10 requests, all returning HTTP 200 OK. Request 1, initialize, establishing the session. Request 2, list tools, returning 4 available tools. Request 3, get employee by ID 1, returning John Doe's full profile. Request 4, search by name John, returning 3 matching employees. This demonstrates BIG-IP successfully proxying and persisting MCP traffic end-to-end. To summarize, integrating MCP with BIG-IP version 21 and version 21.1 enhances AI systems by enabling dynamic, real-time data updates, efficient, low-latency communication, and secure, scalable connectivity. BIG-IP ensures optimized load balancing and resilient AI workflows supporting R-Series, Veloz, and VE platforms. For more details, refer to the documentation or explore additional MCP use cases. Thank you for joining. Feel free to reach out with questions.